If you're watching this video, you're either an appliance repair technician or you're a DIYer learning. Either way, congratulations. Head to our resource where you can learn about how to become an appliance repair technician, how to become a better one, how much money you can make, and how you can start your own business out of your garage, even if you only have $5 to your name. I kid you not, if you start today, you can have your first paying customer before the evening is over. Guaranteed. At least that's how it's worked for me. Head over to openappliance.io when you have a moment. You can't increase your job ticket too much because there's a ceiling price point on what you can charge per job, but you can massively reduce your time per ticket, which multiplies your income per hour without working more hours, and that's what we do. With this technique, you can remove the supports on an LG or Samsung dryer within a matter of seconds. As a matter of fact, this whole job for me from start to finish is about 9 minutes. For details on the tools I buy to make this possible, see the link in the comments. First thing you're going to do is use your 14mm stubby ratchet, put it in back of the bolt, and then use your 10mm impact socket and remove. And then you're going to repeat for the second. I also use a Joke 14mm wrench, which I find better in some situations. So here we go. You're going to use the 14mm wrench to grip the nut from the back, and then you're going to use your 6mm impact deep socket to torque it on. It's on in a couple seconds. And I do find the wrench better sometimes because it has grippy teeth on it. One last note, be very careful about why you buy these rollers. These rollers are either very expensive or poor quality. There's no solution until now. Click on the article in the YouTube comments, you'll see exactly where we buy the rollers. The rollers we use are the absolute best, they're very inexpensive, and we've installed 500 plus with no issues. Thanks for watching.